It is fourth lecture of some basic concepts. The chapter is some basic concepts or mole concept and lecture number 4. Here in this lecture we will study the cause of fractional atomic masses. Fractional atomic masses. It means why the atomic masses are fractional. For example, atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. For example, atomic mass of copper is 63.5. So the natural question is, what is the cause of the fractional atomic masses? Dear friends, there are two causes. One is mixture of isotopes. Mixture of isotopes. Friends, if we take chlorine in a container, here I am taking chlorine gas in a container, it is not a single isotope. Instead of this, it is the mixture of chlorine 34, chlorine 35 and chlorine 36. So basically this is a mixture. Since this is a mixture, so we have to take the average of all these three or maybe more for the calculation of the atomic mass. For the calculation of atomic mass of this mixture. So the friends, the first cause of the fractional atomic mass is the element is the mixture of isotopes. So we have to calculate, we have to decide the average atomic mass, and it is total mass upon total number. Here I took the example of the chlorine, but in the case of the copper this may be, and in some other cases this may be possible that the element is the mixture of its isotopes. Friends, suppose that here we have taken a number of atoms, and here the isotopic atomic mass. It means the isotope whose atomic mass is M and its number of atoms is N1 and the atomic mass is M2, then the number is N2, atomic mass is M3, then number is N3. So the friends, suppose that we have like this. So what we have to do, basically we have to take the average of these all. So the average of these all, total mass upon total number. So we can say here one atom has the mass M1, so the n atom, the mass will be M1xN1. The same thing is here, one atom has mass M2. Since the number of atoms are N2, so M2 into N2, the same thing is here, M3 into N3, and divided by total numbers, so N1 plus N2 plus N3. So the first cause of the fractional atomic masses is the isotopes. The element is mixture of its isotopes. Friends, the second cause is mass defect. This is called a mass defect. Suppose that, friends, we have taken the nucleus of the atom. Suppose here is proton, here is neutron, here is proton, and here is neutron. Protons will repel each other. This proton will repel to this one particular proton. It means there is repulsion force between the proton. Repulsion force between protons. So we have to overcome to this repulsion force. We have to apply some force opposite to this repulsion force. For this particular purpose, what happens? Some mass of each the particle present inside the nucleus change into the energy. This particular mass is called mass defect. This particular mass is called mass defect. This particular mass is called mass defect. It means we can say to overcome protonic repulsion force. It means the repulsion force between the protons. To overcome the protonic repulsion force, a little mass of each nucleon. Nucleon is nothing but particles present in nucleus. So the little mass of each nucleon converts into the energy. This mass is called a mass defect. So we can say this is delta M. This mass is the mass defect for this proton. This mass is mass defect for this neutron. This mass is mass defect for this proton. This mass is mass defect for this neutron. And this mass defect converts into the energy. And what is the equation? Equation is simple. E is equal to delta mc square. C is nothing but speed of light. Its value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And this energy is called a binding energy. This energy is called a binding energy. So friends, due to the mass defect, because some mass of the proton, each nucleon, the particle present in the nucleus, that changes into the energy, due to this the atomic masses may get the fractional value. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.